So we continue to kind of trail off here. We're having a nice down day today. Let's jump right into the charts. And I think what you have to notice here is that you're potentially forming some very, very bearish price action. And the first thing I see on the chart, right? So if you look at the chart of Bitcoin, we're trading around 46,000, down pretty significantly on the day. But the number one thing is this low pivot from about a week ago, which was at 42,000. That's what you need to see hold for the Bitcoin market to have any chance of kind of regaining its strength here in the near term. If that level gives way, there's a little support at 40,000 and then not a whole lot until 30,000 on the chart. The other thing that's kind of concerning me here is that you're almost looking like a repeat of earlier this year where you went from 60,000 down to 30,000. And I want to show you that here. So we had this head and shoulders pattern on the Bitcoin chart right here, right? So this was earlier this year. This is a pattern that I recognized and I called out. And you can see very, very clearly shoulder, head, and shoulder. And then when we broke, it had that quick fall all the way down to 30,000 right here. Now, what's concerning me here is you have a bigger head and shoulders potentially forming. Shoulder, head, and then maybe is this beginning to form a right shoulder? And again, what's scary about this is that the same type of dump that took us down to 30,000 on this size pattern is now bigger, which means we're going to go lower if it plays out on this pattern. The downside target, believe it or not, is potentially all the way down to 20,000. So for me, I'm very, very scared in terms of, it breeds opportunity, right? So anytime a price is going to drop significantly, it could be a good buying opportunity. But there's a lot of bulls out there that are in at 55, 60, 65,000 that got in on the breakout earlier in October. And I do think that they are going to be in for a rude awakening here.